And keep your notebook on the desk, not on your lap. Everyone. Everyone. That's fine. That's fine. Very simple question that I'm going to ask. A very simple question that I'm going to ask. Can I do it fast? Okay, the thing that I'm going to ask, what is reproduction? Task, I think seventh. Tell me, yes, from, okay. Gurpinder is there? Gurpinder. Gurpinder is there? Fatehdi.
Fatehdi.
They tell me, what is reproduction?
Kindly repeat the question.
Yes, sir. What is reproduction?
What is reproduction?
Okay, if you are not able to reply, can you only explain what do you understood by this term, reproduction? Steps. Only steps. Just tell me the steps. It's of two types. Okay, that's good. Can you tell me the name?
Sexual reproduction and sexual reproduction.
That's nice. That's nice. So we can say reproduction is of two types. Sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. That's nice. So now sit down. You Kulvinder is there. You sit down, beta. Fateh
स्मार्ट नहीं बनी
now,
खास कर दूसरे बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स पर काम करेगा
yes, Kulvinder is there. Okay, Arshdeep is there. Arshdeep.
who is Arshdeep not present now
Okay, sir. Nishandeep.
Nishan absent now
Okay. So can I do one thing? I will call students by their rows now because I think it will be easy for you. ठीक है तो मैं सबको पिक करके बुलाऊंगी so that you can answer it. ठीक है So now from the wall जो सर वाली जो रो है जो सर के साथ wall वाली रो है from that third bench girl आ जाओ बेटा third bench girl towards wall yes third bench yes beta. Can you tell me what is asexual reproduction? What do you understand by this? What is asexual reproduction? Yes, where one parent is involved. So we can say in asexual, one parent is involved. And in sexual reproduction, two parents are involved. That's nice. Sit down, beta. Sit down. Now we understood reproduction is basically making our own copies, है ना? अपने जैसे और individuals को बनाना. That is reproduction. It can be sexual, it can be asexual, means where one parent involved, we call it asexual. Where two parents are involved, we call it sexual reproduction. That is basic thing. Okay? Now, can you tell me, in sexual reproduction, two gametes fuse and what they form? When two gametes, one for male and one for female, okay? Male, female gametes, okay? Male, female gametes fuse, okay? can tell me the term that is used for fuse? When they fuse, male and female gametes fuse, means egg and sperm fuse. So what is the term that we use here instead of fuse in bio? What is that term is called? Fertilization. So here now we are saying when male and female gametes fertilized, what they form? That's nice. They form zygote. That's right. Now, can you tell me, okay, middle row, last bench girl on right side, okay? On right side, stand up and tell me, zygote is single celled or multicellular? Better stand up, come forward. आगे आओ, आ जाओ, come. Yes, tell me, zygote is a single cell or multi-celled?
Single.
Sure, multi-celled or single cell?
Single.
Okay, you are right, single cell. But we humans are multicellular or unicellular or single celled?
Multicellular.
Multicellular, that is also right. Now, I want each and every student to think upon this. The basic of development of human embryo starts from single celled. ठीक है? Single cell जो structure है zygote, उससे start हो रहा है. But where it is ending? Multicellular organism. How come? कैसे होता है? कैसे होता है? If we are saying zygote is single cell, zygote is single cell structure, but it is forming double or multicellular organism or fetus. ठीक है? How come? कैसे बन रहा है sir? Yes, if we say okay, if fetus है, that is multicellular. Okay, you are right. This is the right answer that you have given me. But how this journey from single cell to multi-celled organism happen? कैसे होती है? How it takes place? Okay, okay. But क्या कहा सभी ने?
Mitosis.
Mitosis. Okay. इसी से एक क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी. Everyone, ध्यान से सुनना. Gametes, egg and sperm. Okay. Two cells and these are germinal cells or somatic cells. Now, in germinal cells, mitosis take place or meiosis take place? Okay, beta, you sit. You go and sit. Yes, thank you, beta. So, yes, in germinal cell, okay, my question is, in germinal cell, mitosis or meiosis take place? Okay, so I'll call. Okay, you have done this chapter in your class now? Is it done? Yes or no? Is it done? Are you not aware of what is going on in your class? Which chapter is going on? Is it done? First bench girl. You tell me, beta. Is this done, going on, or whatever the status? Do tell me.
It's done in the class, ma'am.
It's done, sir? Okay, sir. Thank you. So, beta, do tell me. Now you have, I think, network issue. So now let's again start from where we left in between the session. Okay? So we were discussing about you got new room, है ना? सब excited थे, नया room मिल गया, है ना? So now let's go back to that imagination. You got new room. You have to buy new things, है ना? जो पहले थी वो तो है ही, वो तो आपने अपने siblings को दे दी. खुद नया खरीदोगे, sibling को दोगे? पहले तो ये बताओ. खुद के लिए नई चीज खरीदोगे या सोचोगे मैं अपने भाई या बहन को दे दूं? Yes? सब सोच रहे हैं. बोलूंगी तो मैं ये कि मैं अपने भाई या बहन को दूंगी, लूंगी मैं खुद के लिए, है ना? यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग लाइक दिस. इट्स ओके, इट हैपेंस. ठीक है. So yes, so we buy new thing, we get new thing, means everything get double. When we divide होना ये नहीं होता कि छोटा हो गया, means you are becoming new thing. ठीक है, जैसे थे वैसे हो गए, लेकिन you have to make it again. फिर से वो चीजें लानी पड़ेंगी. So this is what happens during cell divides. ठीक है, जब cell divide करता है, it gets all things again. And how it gets? So this is through a cyclic manner. बेटा सब draw करो इसको. Everyone draw. In a cyclic. So cell, so cell doesn't directly jump नहीं करता division में. First it takes time. ठीक है, it takes time to prepare itself for the division. How? Through a phase that is called it's called interface. This is interface. So cell prepared itself for the division by undergoing a phase that is called interface. Okay, this is interface. Now let's divide this interface further. Okay. First division should be big, बड़ी बनाना, ठीक है? Then second is smaller than first. Okay, like this. Now let's go back. This is named as G1. This is S and this is G2. These three phases collectively called interphase. Okay, and this is the division phase that I am labeling with red color. Okay, इसको मैं red color से cover कर रही हूँ, so you can easily see the difference here. So this is division phase, or that is called M phase. Okay, it's a M phase. This is M phase. This much is done, beta. So now let's move ahead. Now in G1 phase, what happens? The cell grows in size. Its size get increases. ठीक है? Cell size सेल का इंक्रीज होगा यहाँ पर. सेम वन मोर थिंग हैपेंस हियर. क्या होगी दूसरी चीज? न्यू ऑर्गेनालिस, जो उसको नई, जैसे आपका नया रूम मिला है, नए नए आपके बेड आ रहे हैं, नया कबर्ड आ रहा है, नया टेबल आ रहा है, सिंपल पास क्या आ रहा है? ऑर्गेनालिस आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो राइट डाउन सिंथेसाइज proteins and organelles. Okay? Organelles. So this happens in G1 phase. Now coming to the S phase. Okay. Now we are moving to the S phase. S phase, as I told you, it means synthesis. But what does it synthesize? That is the question. Here, DNA is synthesized. Doubling of DNA is called replication. Replication. First thing, if this happens, histone protein synthesize. Now, what is the role of the histone? Histone basically bind. Okay, bind the DNA. DNA is just like thread. If we say, okay, it bind it, it coiled it, make it less decondensed. Okay, so it basically condense the DNA. Okay? That is the role of histones. Now, people, थोड़ा सा noise कम करो, noise कम करो. Noise is coming from. Then here in animals only, centrioles also synthesized here. Centrioles also synthesized in animals only because it is present in animals. Okay, so that's why. Now coming to next phase that. Okay. G2. Now what happens in G2? Write down. Proteins required for M phase. This is M phase. Synthesized here. Now, by looking at this picture, can you tell me which phase out of G1S, G2M, which phase is the longest phase? Which phase? Just raise your hand. किसने बताया? चलो मैं बताती हूँ. Last best boy. Last best boy. Yes, yes. Tell me, which phase is the longest phase out of these four phases?
G1.
Yes, beta?
G1.
G1. And which one is the shortest?
M.
M phase. That's nice. Sit down, beta. So yes, you can see beta here पर. So this is the longest, followed by S, then G2, and the shortest one is M phase. Shortest is M phase. So that now this is done. Is this done?
Yes.
Now next thing, the next question that comes from this picture is how cell decide that it should go to the G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase or M phase? How cell decide this? कैसे पता लगता है कि हमें यहाँ पर जाना चाहिए? चलो आप स्कूल आते हो रोज, है ना? स्कूल आते हो ना घर से, गेट पे गार्ड होते हैं. Now guard will allow only you to enter or your parent or stranger can also come. Yes, only students can enter the school, na? Some parents or anyone outsider, they are not allowed to enter inside the school. Okay. Similarly, each phase has their guards who doesn't allow cell to pass to another phase unless or until they fulfill some criteria. ठीक है? जैसे आप स्कूल में तभी आ सकते हो जब आपका एडमिशन हो. ठीक है? You are wearing a school uniform or you have ID card. Only then you are allowed to enter the school. ठीक है? ऐसे तो नहीं आ सकते ना कि स्कूल घर के कपड़े पहने हैं, स्कूल का टाइम भी नहीं है, and we are entering inside the school, we are coming in the school, है ना? ऐसे तो नहीं आ सकते. Similarly, here also, one cannot pass from one phase to another like this. तो क्या होता है यहाँ पर? बेटा इसको ध्यान से करो, आपकी ना टेक्स्ट बुक में it is given, but it is not well explained. So this is very important for the NEET point of view. Okay. So guards that I was talking about. Okay? The guards that I was talking about, I'm making it here. Okay. So these are the guards, two main guards that we are studying right now. One guard here in between G1 and S, and one guard is here G2 to M. Okay, these are the two guards that we have here. So write down this fast. Okay, this first guard, or we can say checkpoint, when we cross a state, वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट, देयर इज अ चेक पॉइंट, होते हैं ना चेक पॉइंट्स, पुलिस खड़े होते हैं, नाका लगा होता है, हम कहते हैं नाका लगा आज, है ना? सो दैट इज चेक पॉइंट. सो दे चेक द व्हीकल्स, उनको कोई सेंस होता है कि यार ये पर्सन, ये गाड़ी नहीं जानी चाहिए अंदर या बाहर, दे चेक, है ना, वो चेक करते हैं. और उस वो कर रहे होते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, वो जिन्होंने लगाया होता है बैरिकेड्स वगैरह, भी से इट्स चेक पॉइंट, है ना? तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास चेक पॉइंट्स होते हैं, टू चेक पॉइंट्स. तो ये देखो G1 और S के बीच में है, सो वी कैन कॉल इट G1 S चेक पॉइंट. राइट डाउन बेटा, इसको बनाओ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ड्रॉ इट, G1 S check point and this G2 M check point. One is this and second is this. दो चेक पॉइंट्स हैं, ये दोनों जो है गार्ड्स हैं, दैट आर डूइंग देयर जॉब. ठीक है, कि अब G1 से सेल क्या यहाँ पर जाके रेप्लिकेट करे या ना करे, यहाँ से सेल आगे जाके M फेज में डिवाइड हो या ना हो. Now what is here in the G1 case? Called CDK. CDK, write down form. Cyclin dependent kinase. लिखो इसे, cyclin dependent kinase. Cyclin dependent kinase. So as name says, it is depend upon some cyclin. And cyclin is another protein that is specific to the phase. So the cyclin here is G1 cyclin. G1 cyclin. So if this is CDK, okay, this is CDK and this is cyclin. They need to combine, and for this, what they need ATP, that is energy molecule. So here, what happened here? Better draw it like this only. ठीक है, इसको साथ साथ ऐसे ही ड्रॉ करो. This is CDK, okay. This is our cyclin. Now they are clubbed together because here ATP also come. ATP, what happened in ATP? ATP phospholipids. यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर एक फॉस्फेट ग्रुप ATP से यहाँ पर लग जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज ए कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑफ CDK cyclin. ठीक है, और ये जो कॉम्प्लेक्स है, इट्स एक्टिव कॉम्प्लेक्स, एक्टिव कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑफ एंड cyclin. ठीक है, नाउ वंस फॉर्म, अगर ये बनता है, ओनली देन सेल विल गो टू द S फेज. ठीक है, अगर ये कॉम्प्लेक्स यहाँ पर बनता है, क्योंकि देखो ये सारा टूटा हुआ था, अलग अलग था, बाय द एंड ऑफ द G1 फेज इट्स असेंबल्ड. अब ये बना है, नाउ इट विल अलाउ सेल्स टू गो टू दिस फेज, दैट इज S फेज. What happens? DNA replicate. जैसे ही DNA replication start हो, okay, as soon as DNA replication starts, this complex CDK remain like this, okay, then this cyclin get degraded, okay, and phosphate group that is inorganic get, so here it's again get inactivated. CDK फिर से inactive हो गया है. It is present here but it inactive once replication starts. ठीक है, तो ये जो कॉम्प्लेक्स जो गार्ड था, अब उसका हमें रोल नहीं है, बिकॉज नो सेल्स ऑलरेडी एंटर्ड इन S फेज, दे आर रेप्लिकेटिंग, वो अपना सेल बना रहे हैं. ओके, अपना जो है DNA उनका बन रहा है. सो नाउ दे आर इन दिस फेज, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स जो है हमारा, जो पहले असेंबल हुआ था, बना था, एक्टिव था, नाउ ब्रेक डाउन. ठीक है, टूट गया. सेम थिंग हैपेंस हियर. अब यहाँ जो CDK है, ओके, अगेन है CDK, अगेन हियर। अब यहाँ पर जो साइक्लिन है, here the cycline is different. Here cycline is M cycline, or we can say cycline M, whatever you can say, M cycline or cycline M. ठीक है? This cyclines join with this CDK, and here we need two phosphate group through ATP. कहाँ से आएंगे ये? ATP से. Okay? This phosphate group comes from ATP only. ठीक है? Now, once it formed here, it allows cells to go for division, to go into M phase, that is mitosis. ठीक है? ये हमारा गार्ड जब यहाँ पर बन जाएगा, only then cell can enter into M phase. Again, जब ये M phase में cell division start हो जाएगी, it disassemble, जैसे यहाँ पर ये टूटा था, ठीक है, यहाँ पर ये सारा टूटा है, वैसे ही cyclin M get degraded, ठीक है, वो टूट जाएगी, CDK रह जाएगा. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, do ask me, because this topic is very important. This thing is very, you should know about these checkpoints or cycles. Is it clear how it works? कोई doubt है? Last boys, is it clear? Yes? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then it's right, correct. Okay. So beta, this is the thing that we discussed today. और एक छोटी सी चीज जाते जाते, ठीक है, इन केस सेल यहाँ पर डिवाइड हो गया, माइटोसिस हो चुकी है, एवरीथिंग इज कंप्लीटेड, ठीक है, और सेल हमारा जो है वो G1 फेज में नहीं जाना चाहता, तो कहाँ जाएगा? इज देयर एनी अदर फेज? G0 फेज. तो हम उस फेज को कहते हैं G0 फेज, और उसको और क्या कहते हैं? रेस्ट. ठीक है, तो वो रेस्ट करने चला जाता है. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
And I want everyone to use colored pen pencil in bio class. ठीक है, जितना आप bio is basically, if you draw beautiful diagrams, you easily remember each and every point. Just turn the pages and you remember everything. ठीक है, use different colors. Same color करोगे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता. बायो में यूज डिफरेंट कलर्स, ड्रॉ इट ब्यूटीफुली. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? बाय स्टूडेंट, फॉर द कॉपरेशन सर.